sleep cycle occurs in 5 stages. The first 4 consist of the non-REM sleep and the last stage consists of the REM sleep. In adult humans, the non-REM sleep accounts for about 75 to 80% of the total sleep. Also called as the NREM sleep due to the lack of rapid eye movements in this state of sleep. NREM sleep is divided into 4 stages. Stage 1 is characterized by drowsiness, Stage 2 by light sleep, Stages 3 and 4 by deep sleep. Stage 1 occurs mostly at the beginning of the sleep with slow eye movements. This state is sometimes referred to as the relaxed wakefulness. The EEG begins to show a low voltage mixed frequency pattern where the alpha waves disappear and the theta wave appears. People aroused from this stage often believe that they have been fully awake. During the transition to stage 1 sleep, it is common to experience hypnic jerks. Stage 2 is marked by the appearance of sinusoidal waves called the sleep spindles and occasional high voltage biphasic waves called K complexes. Sleep spindles are unique to NREM sleep. K complexes are single long delta waves that last only for a second. They are also unique to the NREM sleep. In stage 2, no eye movement occurs and dreaming is very rare. The sleeper is quite easily awakened in this stage. In stage 3, a high amplitude delta wave rhythm dominates the EEG waves. It is a transition between stage 2 and stage 4 where the delta waves associated with deep sleep begin to occur. In stage 4, maximum slowing with large waves is seen. It is sometimes referred to as the slow wave sleep. Slow wave sleep is made up of the deepest stage of NREM sleep and is often referred to as the deep sleep. It has a characteristic pattern of rhythmic slow waves which are synchronized. Dreaming is more common in this stage than other stages of NREM sleep. The content of the slow wave sleep dreams tends to be disconnected, less vivid, less memorable than those that occur during the REM sleep. Parasomnias most commonly occur in this stage. A person will typically feel groggy when awoken from this stage and the mental performance is somewhat impaired. This phenomenon is called the sleep inertia. It is important to note that the stage 3 and stage 4 has been reduced to stage 3 in 2007 update by the American Academy of Sleep Medicine.